some of the interesting infrastructures at the front, some of the interesting infrastructures at the back. So this is where all the work gets done, is back down here. And we have 9 sleds that we can place inside this 2U server, and each of these sleds can have a different job. So as I was saying earlier, some of these are going to be GPU-centric, some of them are network-centric, some of them are load-based centric. But what's really, really key with high availability at this point is that I can take one of these servers that's running, and I can be extremely root to it. So what I've just done is take a running server. I've not told anything in advance that it should be shut down or anything along those lines, and I've taken it out. Right now I'm sticking it back in, and a couple of things will happen as a result of that. The kind of failover that I was demonstrating earlier will have taken place. Any streams that were running on that particular sled would have ended up elsewhere. So the fact that I've actually just rudely unplugged one of the servers from the supply chain, none of my customers would have even noticed that. Now that I've put in maybe a replacement, or in this particular case the same node back in about 30 seconds time, it's going to be back in the pool, ready to do work, so that if one of the other sleds may have failed, nobody again is going to notice. So accept that stuff is going to go wrong, and make sure that your customers ever notice it. That's really embodied by this kind of hardware associated with running in parallel with the kind of software and orchestration and management that we can put on top of that.
Great.